So it is 5:20 in a.m.
In the a.m.
In the a.m. And it is pouring rain, and we're about to go hiking to the wisdom tree.
To get some wisdom, you know.
To get wisdom, and it's raining, and it's beautiful. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be a photo shoot day too. So.
But oh god, I have a big old pimple. You better like.
We can edit that out.
For sure, for sure.
So let's get this day started.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, so there's the Hollywood sign, but we're trying to get to the wisdom tree. We're lost. So we're gonna try to figure out where we're supposed to be.
Maybe this is it.
Maybe this is the trail.
But we just gotta find parking.
But like, okay. So we're gonna try to find parking and take this trail.
Yeah, I mean YOLO, right? Adventures.
We're gonna adventure today. We'll find it eventually. I mean, there should be signs there, right?
Well, Hollywood is right there.
Yeah, Hollywood.
And if we get lost,
We'll just hike there. We'll just hike there.
Oh, for sure. I've never been here anyways, so.
So we'll just find our way and see if we can park somewhere here where we can't get a ticket.
For sure.
So.
Can we park in the residence?
I think so. We'll see.
We have entered Jurassic Park, ladies and gentlemen. Where are the dinosaurs? It is currently 6:57.
So now we're walking, trying to find the actual trail, and it's raining.
Dude, it's freezing.
It's freezing.
I had a jean jacket on. I probably regret it now, but you know what? We gonna survive. This is like preparation for like the end of the world kind of thing, you know?
It's cold. Look at that. Yes.
Can't relate. This is like, I'm gonna be drenched.
This is gonna be a great hike, guys. She's already dying.
It's like, we're not even to it yet.
How many minutes have we been walking? Like 3? But we made it. We found it. We found it.
Is this supposed to say something?
Oh, I thought there's words there.
No, so did I. Oh.
There's no words. We're like the only ones in this trail because we're the only crazy ones who would hike during the rain.
I haven't fallen yet, so +1 for me.
Whew. This uphill though.
Yeah, my legs are already. Oh.
We're almost there. We're almost there. The flag is right there. We're almost there. We made it.
Is it?
Should be, right?
I
No.
was wrong.
Where's the keys to this? Maybe they have it. What does it say?
Mental health, family, unity, and faith. Same. I support that, whoever you are.
You can't see anything.
Okay. Perfect. Alright.
Okay, so we're like soaking wet and you can't see anything anymore. Like
It's like we're in a different universe, to be honest.
we're like
Good to have my hair wet, you know?
we're taking a shower and it's so nice out here. Woo! The flag, and you can't see the city anymore. Like, dude, it's so nice here. It feels really nice here.
I'm glad we went.
This is a nice
You
hike.
should definitely hike when it's raining because it's
Hike
the best
when
time.
it's raining.
Seriously.
It's the best.
Ow, my hands are
Woo!
cold.
We can't like feel. Whoa, it's red, bro. My hands are red. You can't feel them. You know what? We're gonna go closer to the flag. I act like my phone is waterproof. It's probably gonna break. It's so nice.
Oh my god.
Look at my hair. Yeah, we showered. Yeah. My phone is gonna break and I don't care. Wow, it looks nice out here.
Oh, it's getting hard to see.
Okay.
Oh my god.
It's raining so hard. It's like pouring rain, and we're still out here. We're gonna jump this. Woo! Yeah! My phone is gonna break because it's not waterproof. Yeah! We made it! We did it! Woo! That was
I almost like tripped up there, but thank God I'm fine.
We finished that hike!
Dude, it's starting to sprinkle again.
That was like the best.
It
Dude,
was fun playing in the rain.
look at this lighting though. It's so nice. Wow!
That was a great hike.
That was really
It was so easy to get down. Like, I was struggling to get up there. As you can
Going
tell from
down
the
is
beginning.
always easy. Uphill, screw uphills.
Oh,
So yeah, guys, Wisdom Tree hike. Gotta go check it out. And hike when it's raining.
Oh,
y'all
definitely.
have to try it.
Yeah.
It's really nice. Like it feels great.
I mean, it's very cold, I won't lie, but it's worth it. I
It
promise
was worth
you.
it. Like we can't feel our fingers, but it was. So
It's so early too.
I know
Like, an
that
hour.
was the quickest hike we've ever done. That was, but like, the best. One of the best.
Very.
One of the best.
Now we're gonna go back to the car and get warm because
Yeah, it's freezing. I mean, look at this. It's windy right now.
seriously.
But yeah, it was fun. So, see you guys.
Bye.
So we out here
We're
trying
walking to egg slut because we're sluts.
What?
I'm just kidding, guys. We're not.
We're walking to get some food.
I'm really hungry and very tired.
It's freaking cold
Oh yeah,
because
I'm
we're
shivering so bad.
freaking wet.
I'm so excited. We've never tried it before.
It's our first time trying egg slut, guys. Here we go. Okay, so there's a procedure of eating this, so Hannah's gonna show you guys.
Okay, guys. So what you gonna
Wait.
do? Wait, how do you do it?
You just poke the yolk and then you mix
ready?
it.
Oh wow.
Until everything is yellow, he said.
Yeah. Oh wow. Is it yellow? All yellow?
Okay.
Okay.
Forgot to tell you guys what this is called. This is called the slut.
Yeah, we ordered one slut.
We ordered one slut and we're about to try it. Try this out. Hey, bomb skis. Oh wow, that's really good.
Dude, we're gonna get so
Pouring rain right now.
no protection when we walk down and get to the parking
It's
lot.
pouring! Can you guys hear that? It's pouring. Hard. Really hard. Yep. We're walking in the pouring rain.
Pretty. Hello.
Yeah. Loving this rain. Dang, look at that. Look at that in and out though. It's huge. Oh my god.
I'm like red from head to toe. Drenched. People in LA probably think we're crazy because we're walking in the rain with no umbrella. We crazy.
You're crazy. It's so cold.
As you can see, my hair is very damp. She had to take off her clothes because she
It was soaking wet.
yeah, and I had to take off my jacket, but luckily this was pretty dry. But yeah, proof that we love the rain and we would literally look like crazy girls walking in the rain because
Rain is life.
yeah,
I love the rain.
I love rain.